Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can take a screenshot with the Xiaomi Mi 11 and Mi 11 Pro. Okay, so for that we will have three ways for. Let me show you the first one. It works with the buttons. So we will need the power button for and the volume down button. Press these both buttons for the same time, just for short, and we will have a screenshot as we can see here at the preview. And if you want, you can also send it directly with WhatsApp and Telegram and so on. So one more time, the power button and the volume down button, just for short together, and we have a screenshot. And if you tap now on the preview, we are also able to edit this screenshot. If you want to crop just a part of it, like a picture from a website or something like this, it is possible. And yeah, after, go just in save, and the edited part is part of your gallery. Okay, and there's a second way to take a screenshot, and for that we will need just 3 fingers for it. Just swipe them across the screen and we will have a screenshot as well. One more time, just 3 fingers, swipe them down the screen, and we will have a screenshot as well. And there's a third way. You have to enable it first, but let me show you it first. It works with the knuckle, and it requires a bit training. So just double knock on the screen and you will have a screenshot as well. One more time, just double knock on the screen and you have a screenshot as well. But this feature, as I said, we have to enable it first. So for that, just scroll down here, then go to the symbol for the settings. Then scroll down to the point additional settings. And here we will need the point gestures shortcuts. And here we will need the point take a screenshot. So, and this point here, knuckle double tap, has to be enabled, so marked blue. Okay. Yeah, and where are our screenshots? So where are our screenshots after? Of course, here at the gallery. And by the way, you cannot see them at the photos. It's normal, but we can see them at the category albums here. So tap on the category albums, and what is very nice, the screenshots have their own folder named screenshots. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer a question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me some thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or maybe just subscribe me. It would be really a pleasure to see you again. And yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.